Oh, hell no. No, we're doing it when we get back.
Right now.
Really, Tyler?
Yeah.
Well, you just fucked it all up. Thank you. Yes, you did.
I did it straight up.
Yeah, but I told you not to mess with it because I knew how to take it off.
But baby, I love you. Look at my face.
Dude, I swear to God, I'm gonna beat you with a fucking stick.
Well, you love me.
Look at that shit, dude. You fucked up my cake.
Oh yeah, look here.
Dude, it's all gone.
It's awesome.
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
It looks like somebody shit it. It does not look amazing.
It looks great.
Here.
It's just like your guys' first
Is that
year.
better?
It doesn't look the best. This might not have been the best. A little rocky, but hey, it's fucking delicious.
Yeah, it's delicious.
There you go.
This is what I deal with every day.
What's on the outside of it?
It's whipped cream, cranberries, and chocolate chips.
Ooh.
Do you want a slice? I have to cut it.
Or maybe somebody get back.
Yeah, when we get back.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
I'm fucking fat.
me too.
I'm full right now. I can't eat any. Can you wait, honey? Please? Thanks for my cake.
You're welcome, Mr. One.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I'll tell you.
You suck at pool? Really? That's not cool. Do what you gotta do. I guess I just gotta suck at pool. Guess that's just my fucking ticket.
You only live once.
You know? Go all out, motherfucker. I'm gonna suck at pool, bitches. The pressure's on.
The pressure's on, Greg. It'll work.
One ball too lonely, you gotta have two.
What do you have to say for yourself on that shot there, Greg? It was good.
I'm going to Disneyland!
Suck good.
Suck good?
Is that it? Straight ahead?
Yeah, well, all the cars are. This place
Wow,
is
this
fucking
place
packed
is still packed.
Man.
This is gonna be insane. Hillbilly fucking Central. Dude, we are here. The Thunderbird!
Sure, either.
Oh, you're gonna stick out like a sore fucking thumb,
Oh,
you
fuck yeah,
crackhead.
I am.
Oh my god, really? You look like he needs to be in Atlanta and he's in fucking
Oh,
fluorescent
heck bar in
Colorado where there's 8 people that live here. But
Look what we got. We got these people walking up right now.
oh wait, there's dude. There's fucking what's his name?
Jake. Or
Jake.
whatever.
Yeah, he works at the mines.
Yeah, I can park right here, right?
Yep. Here's the Thunderbird. It's raining too. Were they having a bluegrass festival? I think so.
Anybody ever heard of the Sons of the Pioneers? Anybody ever heard of the Sons of the Boutonnieres? Actually, that's a new band. This is the Sons of the Pioneers, remember?
Shit right there, baby. Yeah. Sorry, we're blocking your... Can I get a light? It's a little bit wet out here. Me and you against them two.
I know. Get ready for you.
Well, that stick needs to go to him.
We got.
We have solids. Nice. Well, it's heavy cool as shit. You gotta touch the fucking ball for
won by default the first match, so they get a rematch. But since they defaulted, we get the break. Looks like Brandy dropped a 2 in the side pocket on the break. And she buries the 5 in the other side. Really, I don't know what ball that was, so I'm just guessing. She makes the 4 in the same pocket.
Hey, Whitney!
Ready to drink?
I'm good. Wild horses, please drag me away. What the fuck? My anniversary. Entertainment, yeah. Oh, that would be entertainment, yes. Polka music on my fucking anniversary. Yes, here. Alright.
Film me, film me!
What are we, solids? You're way off, dickheads. I'm way over here. Don't forget it.
Hello!
Pool table, hello. No, the shot, fuck me. No, that's
I even got it on
I
film.
saw that film for that.
yeah, that's horrible. That's gay.
You guys doing?
We're alright, how are you?
Josh. Nice to meet you.
Brandy.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, man? I'm Tyler.
What's going on, brother?
Not much. How you doing? I'm good.
You're not filming, are you?
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
filming. So you're on film.
No.
I'm on America's Most Wanted. This song sucks donkey balls. Donkey balls.
Some choke juice.
You want chode juice? It's gross, dude. Taintlicious. Did you just make a ball? Wow. Good thing I was recording.
She made it nice.
Yeah, it was all like she professionally did it or something. Working it out. Okay.
This is where we win, Brandy.
Okay, here. This is where the boss begins. Stay down there. Just right, right? Slow down, bitch.
Look at this bitch.
Oh, you don't kiss him, son of a fuck. No, that's my flat skirt. Pretty cool. You're getting it.
I
Get it on
didn't
the
know you
flute.
could play the flute like that.
Yeah, I'm good. It's done.
It's memory full. Let's record it right now.
Well, they marveled for a moment, then one said we must be gone. Let's leave a present for our friend before we move along. As a gift